Hey, Pastor Bill Tenney Britton here. Let's delve into a topic that's crucial for any thriving church community: unity. You might be thinking unity sounds great, but it's easier said than done, and you'd be right. However, unity isn't just a nice thing to have. It's essential for a church aiming to make a meaningful impact. Picture a church where every member is aligned in mission and purpose. This isn't just a lofty ideal, it's an attainable reality. The secret sauce is covenants. These aren't mere rules, they're a roadmap to a healthier, more unified church. They set the stage for positive interactions among members, making your church a welcoming haven. Here's a real-world example. Pastor Scott implemented leadership and membership covenants in his church, and the outcome? Conflicts are now resolved swiftly, and the bullying behavior that's sadly common in a whole lot of churches is completely eradicated. It's a new era of peace and collaboration. Are you prepared to be the catalyst for change in your church? Let's make unity one of your core values so we can make our disciple-making mission unstoppable. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep making a difference.